Hi there! Yes, in this video I'm going to tell you why you should stop watching fitness videos and what to do instead. Now, since it's the last fitness video you'll ever need to watch, let's make it a good one. Hi, I'm Pavel. I'm an anthropologist and I'm totally unqualified to dispense fitness advice. But I do it anyway, because fitness and health are way too serious to leave the gym bros in charge. First, the reason to stop watching fitness videos are: Number 1. What you're frequently looking at is unrealistic body images. I talked about it before, so I can only direct you to those videos. So stop chasing someone else's six-pack and refuse being fumigated by gym propaganda. Number 2. There is simply too much advice out there, and it is often contradictory. You have to be careful who you listen to. You watch too much and you end up overwhelmed. Who do you trust? The usual fitness villains, fitness shysters with PhDs, or a wacky anthropologist? And before you say anthropologist seems pretty trustworthy, full disclosure, mine deals with culture, not bones. By the way, if you're enjoying this, then give a like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell so that the great YouTube will help me to reach more people. Tell all your loved ones about me. Hell, you can even tell your arch enemies too. Number 3. It's a waste of time, because everybody wants to waste your time these days. The algorithm is optimized to keep you glued to the platform, not to increase your well-being. That part is up to you. You can use that time you spend on the sociopathic media to do something instead. And if you really must watch, then you can at least do it in the Asian squat position. Here is the video on the topic. Do not sit. Not on the couch. It's playing a long game to kill you. The crux of the matter is that you should watch less and do more. In the old days, you could send 50 cents to the Royal Canadian Air Force and you'd get the 5BX instruction booklet. At the time, the most advanced and time-efficient workout designed to keep the airmen stationed in the Arctic fit for duty. That duty being saving the US from the nuclear holocaust. I talk about this a little more in this video. Now, it's not that easy. Everything is supposedly free, except it isn't. You end up paying with your time, spent sorting through hours of videos. Not to mention that it's now up to you to separate the seed from the chaff. And the stakes have never been higher. If you fling yourself with all your might at wrong advice, you are going to get hurt. A little, a lot, or dead. Yeah, if a little exercise is good for you, this doesn't mean that a whole lot is going to do you a whole lot of good. Not so simple, Goldilocks. Yes, that was an inside joke, and I'll link that study below. So here is my advice. Shut off the noise. Start small. Pick one thing and do it. Now. I wait. Okay, you can do it after you've finished watching. Walk around the block, or slow jog around it, or interval walk around it, or bear walk across your living room floor. And in all these things, remember the DSY principle, covered in more detail on my website. You don't need to abuse your body to see progress, or spend a lifetime in the gym, or punish yourself, or all of the above. So here are some suggestions. Instead of clicking on the next full body shred in 5 minutes video, spend those 5 minutes doing something yourself. That's the difference between a viewer and a participant. Make your own workout video, maybe for laughs, and maybe you'll learn more from observing your own wobbly push-up than from 10 perfect tutorials performed by perfect bodies. Follow-alongs are okay, but make sure to follow along. Here is one for Radio Taiso, once you've mastered the movements. Switch off autoplay if you haven't already, and ignore top 10 exercises you're doing wrong. Honestly, you know where that leads to. Half an hour later, you're gonna be doom scrolling. You know how you feel after you've binged on a bag of mints? You know it's not good for you. You know you shouldn't do this. If you're smart, you won't ever buy a bag of mints again. And now, you can do that on YouTube too. With that wonderful button, do not recommend channel. Use it. Clean your feed. Well, if you're a meathead, this could be my channel. So come on, delete me. You know you want to. I dare you. Anyway, the truth is that fitness is not something you watch. It's more like something you feel while moving. Human body is not that complicated. It doesn't need hundreds of hours of YouTube videos. It is almost disappointingly simple. Your consciousness inhabits a legacy hardware design from the Middle Paleolithic. Yeah, pretty dated. You challenge it and it adapts and raises to that challenge. Challenge it enough and you get the positive adaptations, stronger heart and muscles. How much to challenge it is what most everybody gets wrong. However, chances are it is less than you think, by a wide margin. Listen to the no pain, no gain, push yourself mantra and you might just get heart trouble on top of the constant exhaustion. Now for the conclusion. Watching should not be stopping you from doing. So stop watching this video and do Radio Taiso. It's only 3 minutes of your life and it can get you started on a lifetime of being fit. I call Radio Taiso a cornerstone exercise because it helps to form a good daily habit and you can build upon those movements your entire routine. That's how I started. And if it's the only thing you're going to do, at least for a while, because we all have to start somewhere, you'll still be miles ahead of 95% of your peers who still only watch fitness videos or doom scroll. If you'd like to get on the course beta, have a consultation, dig around for a way to contact me, I did not make it super difficult. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye!